Hey, everyone! Use the Past AI coupon code to enjoy maximum discounts on your planned purchase. Just click the link in the description below, where the coupon applies directly. If you're looking to enhance your productivity and efficiency with AI technology while saving money, this is the perfect opportunity for you. Past AI is designed to help users streamline their workflows and achieve better results through advanced AI tools. Whether you're working on projects, research, or content creation, Past AI offers features that can significantly improve your efficiency. By clicking the link provided, you'll gain immediate access to exclusive discounts that will be automatically applied when you select your plan. This limited-time offer allows you to invest in powerful AI solutions without straining your budget, so don't miss out. Think about the impact those savings can have on your projects. With Past AI's robust features, you can enhance your work and achieve your goals more effectively. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips and amazing deals. Thank you for watching and happy working. Click that link in the description to start saving now.